Hello students, so welcome back. Today we will be starting with another new chapter for your class 5, that is food and health. So when we talk about food and health, so what do? We usually take 3 meals in a day. So in the morning we take breakfast, in the afternoon we take lunch, and in the evening at night we take dinner. So these 3 meals are the basic meals of the day. Now food that we eat each day, it makes our diet. Now all the food or the diet that we are taking should contain certain amount of nutrients. So what are nutrients? Nutrients are some useful substances which are present in the food and are needed by the body. So I hope you remember in class 3 already, class 4 you have already learned about what are nutrients. So what are the different types of nutrients? The nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fibers. So these are the basic nutrients that the food should contain in that we have in our daily diet. The daily diet, now what is a balanced diet? You are quite familiar with the term balanced diet. Now what is a balanced diet? So balanced diet is a daily diet which contains all the nutrients that is needed by the body in a right amount. When all these nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fibers, are present in the right amount in the food that we are taking, or it is said to be a balanced diet. The balanced diet, why balanced diet is necessary? So balanced diet helps the body to grow and function properly, and also it helps us to remain healthy. Now if our diet contains less nutrients, then what will happen? The body will become weak, and if the diet contains more nutrients, then again it will adversely affect the body. So certain food item which is rich in fats or carbohydrates, if we are taking it more in amount than that is required by the body, then it will have a side effect for the body. So it is very important that our diet should be balanced. That is, it should contain the right amount of nutrients which is needed by the body. Now we will be discussing about the nutrients. So first nutrients, that is carbohydrates and fats. So carbohydrates and fats are known as energy giving food, because carbohydrates and fats provide energy to the body. So food items like rice, wheat, maize, then bread, all this, potatoes, all these are rich in carbohydrates. So all these food items, when we take it in our diet, it will provide carbohydrate to the body. And what does carbohydrate do? It provides energy to the body. So energy, why is energy needed? Because the body needs to work. So whatever work we want to do, to work we need energy. Now the body keeps on working all the time. Even when we are sleeping, the internal organs of the body keeps on working. So for that they need energy. The body needs energy. So from where will the body get energy? The body gets energy from the carbohydrates. Now next food item is fats. Fats is also a source of energy. So fatty foods or food items containing fats are like ghee, butter, then cream, oil, eggs, meat, fish, all these are rich in fats. So you need to take a adequate amount, a proper amount of fatty foods in your diet. So if you, as I have told earlier, that less of nutrient is also bad for the body, and like it will make us weak, and if we are taking certain nutrients in more, the quantity, if it is taken more, that also will affect the body. So like if you are taking more fatty foods, what will happen? The fats will get accumulated in our body and you will gain weight. Again, these fats, when they accumulate near the organs, different organs of the body, they adversely damage the organs. So next nutrients that we will be talking about is protein. So protein generally helps the body to grow and repair the injured part of the body. So protein can be said as a bodybuilding food. So for our growth, we need to take proper amount of, or include proper amount of protein in our diet. So, and also if we are injured, so when the body is injured, if we take protein rich diet at that time, it will help the body to heal and we will recover soon. So protein food rich in protein are pulses, milk, fish, egg, meat, etc. So next we will be talking about the nutrients, that is vitamins and minerals. Both vitamins and minerals are necessary for a healthy growth of the body, because both vitamins and minerals helps the body to fight diseases. They also helps the body to perform its normal functions, its regular functions normally. That is, vitamins helps the body to remain healthy and fight diseases, and also it helps in the proper functioning of the organs of the body. Then vitamins and minerals are also needed for the proper growth of the body, and the body needs a regular supply of vitamins and a very small amount of minerals. So it is understood that vitamins we should take a regular supply, that is a adequate supply of vitamins, but minerals should be taken in a very small amount. Now we will be discussing about vitamins and minerals individually. Like vitamins, there are 13 types of vitamins, like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin K. So in case of vitamin B has been divided into various, like thiamine, biotin, then niacin, vitamin B6, then B12, etc. So all among these 13 vitamins, this year we will be studying about only 3, that is vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D. Now vitamin A. Vitamin A helps us to maintain healthy bones, teeth and skin. It is also necessary for the proper functioning of the eyes. So food items like which are rich in vitamin A are papaya, carrot, spinach, fish. All these food items are rich in vitamin A. So when we take these food items, what will happen? It will help our bones and teeth and skin to remain healthy, and it will also improve our eyesight. Next vitamin is vitamin C. Now vitamin C helps in the formation of blood cells, and it also helps in healing of wounds. It is said that vitamin C develops the immunity of the body to fight against the disease. So vitamin C helps in the formation of blood cells. It improves or develops our immunity, and it also helps in healing the wounds. Food items, it also keeps our gums healthy. mainly citrus food. Citrus food means food which are a bit sour in taste, like lemon, then tomato, orange. All this are have a rich content of vitamin C. Our next vitamin is vitamin D. Now vitamin D is needed for the proper growth of bones. So this vitamin is made by the body when the body is exposed to sunlight. So some amount of sunlight every day is necessary for the body, as because when you are out in the sunlight, when the body is exposed to the sunlight, the formation of vitamin D takes place in the body. The food items, there are again certain food items which are rich in vitamin D, like ghee, milk, butter, fish and egg. So these are the 3 vitamins. Now next we will be moving on to minerals. So there are basically 16 essential minerals which are needed by the body. From there calcium, iron, phosphorus, then from there we will be studying about only calcium and iron. So calcium. Now calcium helps helps in building strong bones, teeth and muscles. So calcium is also known as a body building mineral. So food items which are rich in calcium are milk, cheese, then buttermilk, again fish, bean, wheat, nuts. All these food items are rich in calcium. So which mineral is known as a body building mineral? If you are asked, then what you will answer? It's calcium, because it helps in building of strong bones, teeth and muscles. So next mineral that we will be discussing is iron. Now iron is needed by the body to make blood. Now food items like fish, liver, apples, beans, groundnuts, sprouts, eggs and leafy vegetables and spinach. All these food items are rich in iron. The next nutrients that we will discuss about is fiber. So fiber is present in fruits and vegetables. Especially the peel of the fruits and vegetables contains a high has high content of fiber. So fiber should be the integral part of your daily diet. That is, you should make it a must to include fiber in your daily diet. Now, how does this fibers work? Fibers actually do not get digested itself. That is, they don't get digested by itself, but they remain undigested, but they cleans the digestive system as they passes through. So that is, the fiber contain food, fiber rich food, they remain undigested and they clean the stomach, the small intestine and the large intestine as they pass through the digestive system, and thus they help in a proper digestion. So all kinds of fruits, vegetables, pulses, they have fiber. Again, certain food items like meat, egg, fish and other seafoods, they do not contain any type of fiber. So I hope this much is clear to you. So we will conclude here today. So I will be giving you some questions. Next class we will be discussing about importance of water, malnutrition and diseases. Thank you.